How to upload shorts on YouTube from PC. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, open your YouTube. After you open your YouTube, you will land to this kind of page. Now at the top right corner, you can find your profile icon. Click on it. Now head towards this option of your channel. Click on it. Now over here you can find this icon of create. Click on it. Select the option of upload video. Click on this option of select files. Now here you have to select the video. Make sure you select the video less than 60 seconds and the video is vertical. After you select the video, you will land to this kind of page. Now from here you can give a title. Likewise, you can add some descriptions to your video. It is in the process to be uploaded. Just scroll down. You can select the playlist, clicking on this drop down. Likewise, you can set the audience and you can click on next. From here you can add cards and then click on next. It is checking if your video contains any copyright content. No issues found. Now you can click on this option of next. From here you can select this option of public, or in the case you want to schedule your shorts, you can do that as well. Right now I'm gonna post this, so I'm gonna choose the option of public and then you can click on this option of publish. Click on close and here you can see that I just uploaded shorts on my YouTube from PC. Likewise, just scroll down and hit towards this option of customization. Scroll down and over here you will find this short section and here you can find your short videos. This is how you can easily upload shorts on YouTube from PC. This was it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe.